Hey guys, this is Rhett with Ozark Trailer Sales and Manufacturing, coming to you on this awesome, beautiful spring day. And we're coming out pretty hot, guys. We've got 4 custom trailers behind us. Starting out with a 22-foot, 17-foot gravity tilt with a 5-foot stationary. You've got a custom utility trailer right here. Customer wanted some expanded metal on the insides, some custom D-rings. We did a spring-loaded gate. That's a sweet little utility. It's got some square tube on the top. And then this is a 22-foot Gooseneck Lowboy. It does look like a 14K with our Apex ramp. So those 3 are still custom, not crazy, but what I'm really excited about is to bring you this custom bow fishing trailer. So let's dive in on this super custom bow fishing trailer. So the customer comes to us and they have a problem. This boat is extremely wide and kind of funky. So there's not a boat trailer manufacturer that specifically caters to this industry, these really large fan boats. They're extremely heavy too. And the gooseneck on top of that. You see a bunch of bumper pull boat trailers, but not very many gooseneck trailers. So we sat down with the customer, we discussed what would be best. We pulled a ton of measurements, took a ton of pictures, and this is what we came up with. The customer seems to be really happy with it. We're really excited to collaborate with them. We're hoping to actually sell a few more as well. But I'm just gonna start from the front and go to the back and just tell you guys what's a little unique about this trailer. So starting out, he was concerned about the rough ride with the traditional trailer. So there's a couple things that we did. One being the shocker hitch. There's an airbag in the back that he can adjust and really dampen that rattle and that jarring sensation that he would see on his boat. Second is we actually brought the axles back a little bit further. That way there is more weight on the truck and that evenly distributes where that trailer is going to sit. We'll let these trucks pass. Moving back here, this area is pretty specific to the customer. He did want 2 spare tire mounts instead of 1, so you can see 2 spares up here. He does have 2 fuel tank cans. Well, actually he's got 4 total, but this is the way we've decided to secure them. And they're gonna look like this, but basically he can fit 4 of these in here, and just as a way to secure it, he'll run that chain through there and be able to lock it with a padlock. Next is he didn't want to have a hand crank, so we've got a wireless 5K winch on here. It's hand wired and wireless, so he can winch that trailer up while he's on the boat. Moving along the side here, it's got dual 12K jacks. It's got some steps. Another issue that he has kind of had is with the bunking material. We actually used a composite rubber that we think is going to hold up really well and just do the customer right, is this rubber composite material. It's actually decking. You can see the 3 bunks that we have. We have the adjustable bow support and then the stopping point for the front of the boat. Coming back to the back of the trailer, we're in the middle of the build and we do keep the customer on the know with where we're at and any issues that we may have, and we keep them in the process as much as we can. And as we were building it, we're sending him pictures. He asked us to add these steps on the front and back. And as long as it's in a part where we can do it, we're happy to make the customer happy. So you can see these front and back steps. And for this customer, he does a lot of guided tours, and we have a lot of customers that are going to transition from the trailer to in the boat. So we also installed these grab bars and an extra heavy duty fender so the customer can step again, and then step over into the boat. And the customer seemed really excited about that. You're gonna see some of our rollers that are custom height to his boat specifically, as those bump rollers. And then we did a custom rear roll system because it is a fan boat, and we need a way to get the front of that boat up onto the trailer in case it's not able to back down into the water. And then we did backup lights as well, because obviously he's in the dark most of the time trying to load this trailer as well. Guys, we do a ton of custom builds. We're excited to offer. It's something that we get really excited about. The customer comes to us with an issue and we solve it. We're super stoked to work with them. And if you guys ever have any custom trailers you're just not sure even exist, we can make it happen. We appreciate you guys, and God bless.